Hi, I'm Deathlake. In this video I'm going to be going through this Skinny Food Co freebie haul. So I'm going to start off with this Skinny Chocolate Brownie Mix. I'm going to be doing first off this is Skinny Chocolate Brownie Mix with sweetener. I'm going to be doing a series of reviews. A lot of cardboard, I think, to protect the items. So this is a Go Bites Raspberry Cacao, 2 balls snack. So these are going to be a series of review videos. These items, marshmallow. So this is raspberry marshmallow bar coated 70% dark chocolate. This was sealed, but I opened it to see what it was. So this is the sample bag of sauces. So this was the variety sample sauce bag they were selling on their website. So it's original mayonnaise. These packets are quite large, larger than I thought. Be interesting to see what they'd actually taste like. Going to be doing this in a video, separate video. Salted caramel, brown sauce, maple syrup, white chocolate. I think I've already got a jar of white chocolate and other chocolate duo in the box. Garlic mayo, sweet chili, golden syrup, smoky barbecue, tomato ketchup, chocolate flavour, and sriracha hot chili. It's quite liquidy. There's like 12 packets of sauces. Up next will be this. Mousse juice, passion fruit flavour. Pick Me Up watermelon hibiscus flavour can, a cookie dough coffee, and then lastly this chocolate duo spread. I think these sachets are more of a runny version of the spread. So that and white chocolate maybe. Be interesting to see the difference. Managed to get the jar of chocolate spread free from the promotional offer of anything £15 or more in the shopping cart. You get the jar of chocolate spread free. Managed to get the rest free from their sign up task, which I redeemed for a voucher. From doing surveys from a different company, which I redeemed for cash. I covered the delivery and these 2 snacks from that thing, and then the rest was from doing the sign up tasks of Skinny Food Co, which I redeemed for a voucher, making this whole lot free. I'm going to be doing a mini series of reviews of these items. Please do stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and like my face page for more content. And please do comment below if you tried any of these items or interested in trying any of these items. Thank you for watching.